Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will learn how to view and delete stored password in the clear text in Active Directory for user objects and the computer object as well. If you come here in the Active Directory, if you go to any user, suppose Tom, go to attribute editor and you see user password attribute and we are having one password. So that is not necessary, that is the actual password of your computer user. How you can validate? If you see from the hexadecimal, it is looking like something like this. So Mona Lisa at the rate 34. We can't copy. If you want to validate, you can validate it by using ldp.exe. Here you can just type, so bind with credential. Here you need to type the password that is having value Mona Lisa at the rate 34. And the user account is Tom, and rest are fine. Just select OK. Here we can see login. The login attempt failed. It means that is not the correct password of this account. Whenever we are creating any account, any user account, this value is not created by default. Here you can see most of the user account will not be having anything in this attribute. I try to find out why it is added, but there is no clear answer as I know why it was added. But I read somewhere that if we are using any third party for creating account, so those are adding that value sometimes, not always. We can also see how to check this by using PowerShell. If you run this, you can see Will and Tom are having this password. It is not visible here. What is the password? It is in the hexadecimal value. Now you have decided something. That is good idea to run this command to find out all the user account which are having this value under the entire domain. So we can run this command or cmd to get the list of user accounts which are having this particular value. And once you have decided, you can just run this cmd by using particular user account same account name. So I can see Tom is here, right? And then once you run this selected one, you can see that has been removed. And I need to run this again, and you will see only Will is having this password. If I select Will, then here that it will be removed from the Will as well. WILL. Okay. See, if you see nothing under user password, so you can say easily there is no user account which is having this password, user password set in your Active Directory. Same thing we can use for computer as well. If you want to run this for computer, just you need to change the get-adcomputer name and user password. It will remain same. If you run this, definitely it is showing for 3 computer are having this value, and you want to remove this for single computer. You just mention this name here and just run this, and you just run this again. You will see only 2 computers are having this particular value. Okay, now you will be thinking, if I have multiple computer where I need to remove, how can I do this? It is also very easy. Put your computer here, inputdata.txt, and run this cmd-let. Now you can see it is having PC0 and PC02, and I added my two computers here. You can mention the list of computers here that is only required, and just run this. Now you run this. Every computer is free now. No computer is having this value. Now you will be thinking how to add if I want to. That is also very easy. Open the computer, any user, suppose Tom, and go to attribute editor. Again type the particular or find particular attribute, go add, and put the value in the hexadecimal. Put the value in the hexadecimal. There are many softwares available with which can convert text to hexadecimal. You can use that. Now, if you see again for Tom, okay, we can run this, no problem. Now, Tom is having this value, and I want to remove this again. I can remove. Okay, did not work. Work. Okay. If I just comment this and I can run. Now you can see. So that is also easy to add or remove. You can play as well. So that's all for this video. If you learned something new, kindly like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.